try out this moment lens right here. So I'm gonna attach it to this iPhone X and see if, you know, it'll do the trick. Whenever we attach the moment lens, usually kill the gimbal because moment lens is super heavy, it's pure glass. Dude! No hacking involved. I don't feel the jitter. Wow. This thing is supporting an 18mm moment lens, guys. Okay, let's go out and shoot with this thing. Let's go. Okay, so far I'm pretty impressed with this because in any gimbal that I've used, whenever I go straight up like that, shooting up with the gimbal going literally like, what do you call this? Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal.
Horizontal? Whenever it goes straight up like this horizontally, you usually feel the shake. So what that's telling me is that the gimbal itself is pretty darn strong. It's holding up this moment lens, and at the same time, I can do a lot of movements up and down. Guys, this is the new modern gimbal right here. So one thing I did notice is that this little motor right here is obstructing the wide angle view, and so I can kind of see a little bit of this in the camera. And so here, let me show you what it looks like. So yeah, it's obstructing it just a bit. I mean, I can go and do a little zoom in, like a 1.3 zoom in, and that makes it go away. But here's the thing though, I mean, if you're zooming in, then why do we even need the moment lens? Alright, so once again, Mr. 2 forgot to charge his iPhone. So I heard there is a wireless charging piece right here. Let me try to see if I can turn that on to charge this phone. This is a good time to test it, I think. So the little icon is right here on the power button, so I'm assuming that's it. Let me see if it, I know I can't hold it because it will turn it off. If I press it once, it puts it to sleep. So that's not it. Okay, turn it back on. Maybe double press. Look at that, guys. It's charging. 73%, baby. All right. Okay, so this thing is charging it at the same time I'm shooting. This is nice. No wire coming out of here to plug into the phone. I mean, that's like 2018, you know? This is the future right here. This is the modern gimbal that I think everyone needs. Wireless charging, no huss and fuss. Cost $109 for this thing. This is nice. There's actually one feature that, the thing that got me really interested in this gimbal was the fact that it can do this thing called Inception Mode. All right, so Inception Mode, let's give that baby a try. I'm recording. I hold down this function button. I'm assuming F means function. And the light blinks for a little bit. And now I can twist and turn this baby. Inception mode. Let's give it a try. So much fun. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do like the, you know, that whole upside down world in what is that show called? Stranger Things? I'm gonna try that. Okay, upside down. Let's see if it whoa, whoa, whoa. Whenever I go like this, it starts to, you see that? It doesn't like it. It starts to shake. Okay, never mind. I can't do upside down world, but guys, you can do like literally portrait mode, just walking up like this to go all the way. Man, this thing is nice. Oh man, guys, this gimbal is so much fun. And imagine this is for a cell phone. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. This is a fantastic gimbal. I'm enjoying this quite a bit. Inception mode is amazing. It is as good as what's on paper. It works really well. The motor of the gimbal is fantastic. I can't believe that it can support this lens. This is a heavy lens. I mean, we've tried this setup, this lens, this case on other gimbal before, and it always failed. I mean, the motor just struggles in the middle. You should see us in our last episode that we were trying to shoot. It was terrible. But this is the winner right here. The wireless charging, I love it because I usually don't like to use my phone to shoot anymore because it runs out of battery fairly quickly, and so I'm using that as a communication tool, and so I don't want the battery to run out on it. But with this wireless charging feature, I think it's time for me to upgrade my iPhone 7 Plus to the iPhone 10 just so that I can get the wireless charging so I can use this gimbal. This is really nice. I'm really glad. You guys should go check them out. They're the Moza Mini-Mi. Sure, it's no relation to Austin Power, but whoever named this probably watched Austin Power once. So you guys go check them out. I think this is a great gimbal. It's probably gonna stay in my bag for all my mobile video recording. I hope you guys like this episode. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. We do a lot of this kind of tech stuff all the time. We're newbie at tech, so we hope that this video helped you guys in some way, some form or another. Anyway, I'm going to see you guys in the next episode, and till then, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.